Before the opening bell, U.S. indices, they closed higher on Thursday, led by shares in semiconductors and semiconductor equipment, tech hardware and equipment, and software and services sectors. On the economic docket, initial jobless claims declining to 221,000 in the week ended March 16, continuing claims they decreased to 1.75 million in the week of March 9th. Also, the Philly Fed Business Outlook Index jumping to 13.7 in March. This as 89% of S&P 500 constituents, they traded higher yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Nike announced third quarter diluted EPS of 68 cents versus an LPS of 67 cents a year ago on revenue of $9.61 billion. At the same time, Asian markets mixed today. The Nikkei up 0.09%, the Hang Seng up 0.14%, China CSI 300 down 0.08%, South Korea's Kospi up 0.09%. European markets, they are losing ground in U.S. futures, calling for a negative start. Now, in terms of expectations today, we do have Tiffany & Company. Its EPS seen at roughly $1.60, while on the economic docket 9:45 in the morning, we have both composite and services PMI flash reads, 10 o'clock in the morning wholesale inventories, and existing home sales figures as well. Now, taking a look at the markets, the S&P 500 is where we begin. That sees the upside prevail. The Nasdaq also sees the upside prevail, while the Dow Jones sees 26,260 in sight, and that's in focus. The relative strength index advocates for further advance. Long positions above 25,845 are favored, with targets at 26,145 and 26,260 in extension.